Changing a player's run animation in Roblox Studio is easier than you might think, but it does come with its quirks. First, let's tackle the frustration of finding the right animation asset. So many users feel overwhelmed by Roblox's vast library, but here's a simple trick. Start by searching Run in the search bar under the animation section of the Creator Marketplace. Next step is all about preparation, and then ensure you have the Roblox Studio installed and opened with your specific game project loaded. You'll want to open up the Explorer and Properties windows. Trust me. They're golden when making animatic changes. First pain point solved, not knowing where to start. With our workspace laid out, let's dive into managing the player's rig. Click on Starter Player in the Explorer panel on the right. Create a new folder named StarterCharacterScripts. This is your sandbox for player customizations. Many fail to start here and end up wondering why their animations don't apply. In the StarterCharacterScripts folder, you need a LocalScript. Right-click on the folder, select Insert Object, and choose LocalScript. This script will control animation changes specifically for the player character, and missing this step often leads to, endless troubleshooting, avoid the rookie mistake, and time to doctor some code. Double-click your new LocalScript to open it. You're going to paste the following flush of code. Local players gain get service players, and local players players. That network and single setup about invested in progress. And then you can see that the SCP is, and then this script initializes your animation. The treasure hunt within the animation catalog starts here. You need an animation ID, a string of numbers uniquely identifying an animation. Remember that you previously searched for run animations. Choose one and grab its ID from its URL. That ID is your ticket to a custom player run. Now dive back into the LocalScript, replace the placeholder animation ID bit with your new ID for the run anim. What you're doing is telling the client to swap out default animations with your discoveries from the market. It's critical and thus overlooked by many, leading to inertia. Next, check out RunService within your script. By leveraging this service, when editing animations, you ensure that the new run animation triggers exactly when players sprint. Many miss this step and wonder why their animations only play occasionally. Consistency is king in Roblox gameplay. Hit those green play or play here buttons to test your mechanic. By default, you'll notice your character moving with your newly found swagger. And then it would be similar in discovering images, for example, not very ritual, but it's called that same message. Debugging is the unsung hero here. The ability to soldier through issues elevates your game development skills. Also, make sure to save your work frequently. Accidental closures without saving often leave developers redoing lengthy scripts. Trust me, no one wants to experience that particular facepalm moment. Now you're animating with the pros. Customize as you go by experimenting with different animations and script terms for unique character motions. It's rewarding and propels your game further than traditional presets. High impact value, all from a few tailored tweaks. And remember, Roblox Studio's magic lies within its creators' hands. Dive deep, troubleshoot with perseverance, and layer your projects with personal touches. Once your animations dance to your tune, player immersiveness soars to a thrilling high. And so, as we wrap, feel proud. You're sculpting your digital universe, one run cycle at a time.